Hello and welcome to the Tech Savvy YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be repairing a damaged Ethernet port on the back of this HP all-in-one computer. This computer was brought into the shop with frequent disconnects from the internet. This was also visually indicated by the internet icon in the bottom right-hand corner, constantly showing a connection and a disconnection icon. At this point, the computer just remains disconnected even though an Ethernet cord is present and connected in the back of the computer. However, if you were to place your finger underneath the Ethernet cord and lift it up slightly, it would start to establish a connection. This indicates that the pins in the Ethernet port are most likely bent to not making contact with the RJ45 connector on the end of the Ethernet cable. Now I'm going to show you a visual representation of the problems with this Ethernet port. Here's a close-up of our Ethernet jack. If you look at the 8 pins, you'll notice that the leftmost pin and the rightmost pin are not as elevated as the other 6 pins in the middle. This is what's causing our intermittent connectivity problem. Now, how we go about fixing it, we're going to use a couple small tools to go in there and lift up the pins. Alright, time to see if our repairs worked. Excellent. Now the green indicator on the right hand side indicates that the connection back to the switch is at a gigabit speed, which is exactly what we hoped for. The orange indicator indicates that there is activity on the port, which is also a good sign. But that about wraps it up for this video. If you guys like this sort of content or it helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe. But I'll see you guys in the next one.